Tell me what's going on.
It just died on me. I came out of Circle K, and I was getting ready to go on the light, and it just completely stopped.
Okay.
It's zero power.
And now, does it start and run, or does it not start at all?
Nothing. It's zero power. No lights. No. It's completely dead.
So there's no electricity anywhere?
No electricity at all.
I see. What's the battery voltage at?
What is that?
What's the battery voltage currently at right now?
I don't know. I don't have. I'm in the middle of the street. That doesn't say anything.
Have we checked the fuses?
Nope.
Have we checked the battery cables and connections?
I checked the connections. They're fine. They're tight. Nothing loose.
That's good.
But I cannot.
So,
I cannot. Yes.
go ahead.
No, I was gonna say I cannot say a fuse box anywhere near here.
Okay. You have a fuse box under center rear of cargo area floor. There's one fuse box. You have a front power distribution box right rear of engine compartment. And then you have a fuse behind rear of fuse quarter panel.
Currently, I have no access to the back of the car because the back door is not opening.
Gotcha. Here's another one. Integrated supply module, left rear of engine compartment. So that's on the left side of the driver's side of the engine compartment. So what you could do is you could try jumping it, and then once you supply the vehicle with power, if that should get the trunk open.
And then I can check the fuses there.
You got it.
I got you.
Yep.
All right. I'm waiting for a tow truck because I'm in the middle of the road. I have no way of doing any of that. So I guess I'll have to call you guys back once I can do this.
That's fine. There's no hurry on my end. I'm going to call it a night here shortly, but I'll be back online first thing in the morning. You can always just reply back to the chat. I'll be happy to help.
Thank you, sir.
All right. You bet. You're welcome. Good luck.
All right. Thank you.
You bet. Bye.